guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. As you can see behind me, we are at Cape Classic Cars today. We are getting the car on the lift. As you can see behind me right there, she is about to go up on the lift because we're about to find out what the hell is wrong with the suspension. As you see in previous videos, I'll put up the link here above. As you see, we've always had an issue with the suspension. We redid the shocks and we did lowering springs on the car, and she's still got a bouncy suspension, which is not great. So we're about to put it up on the lift just to see if we need to replace the bushings, because that'll be the last option, and I'm 100% sure that it is the bushings. So we're just going to put it up on the lift, see what needs to be replaced, and get that replaced. It probably won't be today because of this COVID-19 thing. All the shipments are on hold, so we'll have to get a kit in to obviously put on the car. But yeah, we can just see what's wrong with it today, get the kit ordered, bring the car around again, and get it back up on the lift and put in those new bushings, and she should be A4 away. Another thing, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like the video if you like the content. Check out my other videos as well, and you can see that we do everything car related. Subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward to more content like this, if you want to see what's up with the Mustang. And yeah, hopefully after this corona thing, we can get back out to doing the events, back out to, you know, the usual car meets, runs, and so on. And if you don't want to miss that, like I said, please subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so we just got back from Cape Classic Cars, and they said there's nothing wrong with the bushings, but what we found is that whoever done the exhaust on this car before I bought it did a fucking stupid job. And basically right now we at Dunlop, and the exhaust is bottoming out against the chassis and also against the back axle, against the back end. So yeah, we're right now just getting that exhaust cut here at Dunlop, and yeah, you'll see the end result. I'm not going to tell you what it looks like, what it's going to look like right now, but you're definitely going to see what I told them to do and what we're going to do with the car. And
it's
yeah,
over with, man. It's over with.
So let's just wait until they're done with the car, and then you can see basically what the end result's going to be like. So it's all off. In product.
You ready? How do you feel?
Oh my god.
Sounds like a racing.
Oh my god, that sounds good. What? Oh. Oh, that's... At least like you're in that. Yeah, I've seen the back next time. Very good.
What do you think about it?
Your mom asked me, I thought it's a motorbike coming out.
Is it loud?
Very.
Did I do an oopsie?
2 days later.
Okay, so it is officially 2 days later. My dad hasn't heard the exhaust yet, and he probably doesn't even know we installed it. Hopefully he didn't see it when he got back from work. But we're about to surprise him right now. I'm going to ask him to come take a look at the car because there's something wrong with it, and then start it up so you can hear it and get a reaction out of him. Listen here to this weird sound she makes. She makes like a ticking sound. Listen. It's a straight pipe. Yeah. It was supposed to have 2 pipes on. Oh, let me just get out here. That the bump is gone. You know what it was? The exhaust pipe. The exhaust pipe was knocking against the chassis and the rear end. Okay, so as you guys saw my dad's reaction to the exhaust pipes and to the way they sound, remember guys, this isn't the final product. This was just basically a fixer-upper up until we do the exhaust, which is going to be, right now I think it's a 50 mil. We're going to go full 70 mil with long tube headers and then into the side pipes. This is basically just for now, and we will definitely put a muffler on because it is way loud. It's too loud. But it's still just to be obnoxious right now up until we do that, the muffler and the rest of the exhaust. I just want to give a huge shout out to Ashley at Cape Classic Cars and his people over at Cape Classic Cars that helped us out 2 days ago with the whole bushing situation, which we thought it was the bushings, but it turned out it was the exhaust pipe heating against the rear end and the chassis. And I'm glad we got that sorted. They were a huge help, so thank you guys. If you guys need anything done on your V8s or on your classic American muscle cars, please don't hesitate to give them a call, and they are a huge help. And take your guys' car over there, and yeah, they will just help you out. They're just those kinds of people. They're really cool. So thanks again to you guys over at Cape Classic Cars, and also Ashley. I will drop a link down below in the description to their website and to their Instagram and so on. Also, the bump is gone, so that huge bump we used to get going over the speed bumps and so on, and little bumps in the road, that was the exhaust heating against the chassis and the rear end, like I said. So that's gone now with us doing the side pipes. Also a huge thank you to the Oaks at Dunlop for doing the exhaust. We just took the exhaust there, we just took it there obviously to cut it off, to, you know, get rid of that bump when we go over the bumps in the road. But while we were there, we were like, oh, cut the box off and just do the side pipes. Might as well. I mean, we were doing the exhaust to get rid of that bump in the first place. So yeah, we did the side pipes. So huge thank you to those guys out at Dunlop. It is the Dunlop out in Brackenfell, close to Cape Classic Cars, actually just around the corner from them. So huge thank you to you guys. And yeah, big things still to come. Now that the car being so loud, I can't wait to go to a car meet and just, you know, rev the hell out of the car meets. But yeah, she sounds great, very loud, very obnoxious, but it's only for now. Things are still going to change, and yeah. So guys, that's it from me and Ginger Ninja. We'll see you in the next one. So, riding the Reaper. Peace out.